Sago Mini.
Been a while since I checked the time. Oh, yeah, it's slime time. Not just boring old slime. The best space snot slime ever. You can make your own too. All you need is 2 bottles of glue, contact lens solution, 1 bottle, 1 bottle of glitter. You can always have glitter, and 1 box of baking soda. Not a big one, not like this big, the normal size, like this big. And of course, the only food colorings. I suggest you make it blue or green. 1 big bowl, 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon, a mixing spoon, and hands. You'll need those too. Raise those beautiful hands for me, people. Should we get cracking? I'm gonna squeeze all the glue into the bowl. Okay, so unpop this. So you unpeel the cap again. Like this. If a big space slug snotted all over me, I would offer it some space snot waffles. That's a nice thing to do. Now I can make it a different color. I think space snot would be green or blue. I'm gonna blue and yellow and see what happens. You only need 1 or 2 drops. So I'll do 2 drops for the blue. That's fine. This, the yellow. 1, 2. And because it's space snot, we need glitter. The wonderful glitters in there. Silver and gold make it look like it's from space. So I'm gonna add silver and gold. The glitter makes it look so icy. Maybe it's space snot from Neptune or Uranus. It's freezing on those planets. It's starting to look like space snot because it's starting to get green and glittery. Maybe I should put in 2 more drops of blue. It's starting to become green, but not that fast. That's okay. I'll be patient. I love this color, don't you? I think that you should make it like this color because it reminds me of Neptune. It's a good planet. Hooray to Neptune! This is an amazing color, right, friends? I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Hop. Whoa. It looks like now ice is hitting it. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the contact solution. Let's go. Drippity, droppity, drippity, droppity, drippity, drop. 1, 2. This activates the slime and makes it really stringy. The best part. It feels so sticky and so fun. If it's too sticky, you can add a little bit more contact solution. I think we're done. I must have a cold. Space start. This is what I get. Wiggly wig. I meant fart. Look at my hands. They look like spider webs. It smells like space snot. Let's squish it and see if it can. Let's try that again. Should we? 3, 2, 1. It's stuck in space snot. Look, people, it's stuck to my hand. I'm gonna squish it into the straw more and see what happens. It actually kind of farted. When you push the air out of the slime, it makes a good fart sound. I don't think if you could hear my fart, but it did fart. Stars are giant balls of gas, so I wonder if they smell. Done with your slime. You can put it in a container like I did. And if you get a lot of slime on your hands, don't worry, you can just go like this. It's like an eraser. I hope you enjoyed this slime video. Good. Bye!